So guys, I've been on this sell trade since yesterday on V101S index, and I'm just expecting more sales basically, regardless of this little bullish move. This is like a retracement. Whenever we see the market shift from an uptrend market to a downtrend market, the nature of the downtrend market is impulsive correction. So we got the impulsive sales here, and right now we're getting the corrective move for more impulsive sales on V101S index. More sales is expected basically on this index in the coming hours and days. So why did I actually sell this index, and how did I know this index is going to sell from this price level I took my sales from? Looking at the higher time frame structure, the daily time frame, we can see the general market direction. Always emphasize on this whenever I want to look out for trade opportunities, whenever I want to analyze the markets. We should list out from a high time frame, and this high time frame can be the daily time frame, it can be the weekly time frame, and it can be the monthly time frame. So basically, I analyzed this index. I started analyzing this index from the daily time frame, and we can see the market direction is very much clear, right? Once we can be able to spot where the market is headed to, the market trend, trust me, we would have a focus, would have a directional concentration on the market. Like the market is on a downtrend, we should know that we should be focused on the sell side of the market. We should be looking out for more of sell opportunities. So I got this downtrend spotted on the daily time frame, right? And inside of a trading market, we see price create corrective moves. Like we got here, this is like the origin of this downtrend, this bullish move here. So this is the first impulsive move we got basically. There we got this correction. What we have to do right now is to spot these corrections, right? So we got the correction here, which looks like an ascending channel, and ascending channels are continuation patterns. They are bearish continuation patterns. So we got this first impulsive move here, impulsive correction, impulsive, basically a correction here, right? This is a corrective move we are having at this point inside of this downtrend. So I basically expect more sales on this index, regardless of seeing this index be on a low. We got this level as the lows of this market, of this index, would say, because of the current lows of this index, because you can see market reaction here previously, and this happened months ago. I think this low was formed on the 3rd of January 2024, and price approached this low again on the 22nd of March 2024. This is like in space of 2 months, price created a new low and reacted to it. So we got this current reaction here, which price is buying from. And looking at this general market direction, we can tell that this market is on a downtrend, and you all know what our focus is on whenever we see the market move in a downtrend market. We focus on the sell side of the market, and whenever the market is in an uptrend we focus on the buy side of the market, look out for more of buy opportunities basically. So we can see this is the impulsive correction here. So we are getting the impulsive move here, and looking at this zone, this blue line I identified there, it's clear that this was a strong level of, would say a key level, because we got 2 buy and sell reactions on this level. And always emphasize on identifying your levels and zones, because these levels and zones can be used as potential buy and sell levels in the market. So we got this level, we got market reactions on this level previously, historically, would say, and this move happened on the, we always use these historical moves to predict what could happen next if price to get to these levels, because there's a high probability of seeing market reactions on those historical levels. So this move happened on the 19th of July 2023, and we got the second move here, which happened on the 17th of August 2023, 15th of September 2023. This is about 6-8 months ago. We've been getting market reactions on this zone. So you can see if price can actually react on this level as a support, we see price buying from this level as a support. There's a possibility of seeing price repeat the same thing currently here, though we didn't really get a neat reaction on this zone. We got price play around here, gave this choppy buys, this fake buy breakout here before the sells back to the downside. But we first got this reaction here, which price sold on this zone as a resistance. Market was supposed to buy from here as a support, on seeing what happened previously, on seeing how market has been buying from this level as a support, how market has been buying from this zone as a support. But reasons why we didn't get the buy from here is because of this structure we got here, this very structure, this head and shoulders pattern formation. You can see the left shoulder formation there, the head at this point, the head formation here, and the right shoulder basically here. So this bearish formation kind of added up to the sell pressure that made this index not to buy from this level. All right, so that's the reason why this index didn't buy from. You can see the massive sells after the break of this zone. So we can see we got market reaction here after price broke below this level. We got the retest on it as a resistance. The sells, price moved past this level, sold back inside of it, came here to retest it again as a resistance. The sells, we got market reaction on this level as a support, now resistance. But we've been seeing market traction on this zone basically, even though we've not been getting neat reactions and long moves from this zone, like long sells and buys from this level. We've been seeing price still acknowledge this level, right? So we can see that currently price is approaching this zone. Price approached this level, this same level we got previous market reactions on, this historical level. Price approached it, and you all know what analysis is all about, using past market moves and past market reactions to predict future market moves. So we can use what happened previously, market reactions on this level previously, to predict what could happen next. Seeing price trade below this our strong level, right, we can easily predict that if price can come back to this zone, we have to get the sales from this level. So I got this zone spotted yesterday, and I was expecting price to sell from it. After having a top-down analysis on this index, I was expecting the sells from this zone, which price actually is giving right now. So I went to a lower time frame after spotting the market structure on the daily time frame. I went to the 4-hour time frame and had my focus on this zone, basically looking at market structures here, resistance, support here. Let's actually spot market structures on this zone. Support here, market traction as a support, market traction here as a resistance. We also got price react on this level as a support, but not really a neat reaction. Got price move past this level after selling down, like after giving the fake out, the self fake out here. Price moved up back, so we can say price actually reacted and respected this zone. So current market reaction here, resistance after the break of this corrective move is spotted on the daily time frame. Remember, this is a corrective move which looks like an uptrend market. So after the break of this corrective move, we got price retest this broken trend level, because on trend lines we have our support level and the resistance level. So we got this trend support level broken here. We got this trend support level broken here, which price retested, as well as retesting this our zone, this zone here. It gave the sales from it the first time, the second time. Let's actually check when this move happened. This move happened on the 7th of March, earlier this month, right? We got price from this zone, react on this level as resistance. So having an eye on these market reactions here, we can predict that if price can buy to this level, if price can give the upside move to this same zone, there's a possibility and there's a high probability of seeing price react on this same level. That's what the market actually did. So I identified this level, I spotted this zone and went to a lower time frame for my bearish structures to short this index. So on the lower time frame, the 15-minute time frame, I spotted this I spotted the reversal pattern formation, which I was looking out for, and price formed one here. We got this head and shoulders pattern formation, but not really a perfect head and shoulders pattern formation. But still, we can tell that this is a nice reversal pattern formation. So we got the left shoulder there, the head at this point, and the right shoulder basically at this zone, the right shoulder here, right? And we are seeing price sell to down, so we're getting the sells from this level. We're getting the sells basically. So I spotted the neckline after identifying this head and shoulders pattern formation, because on every reversal pattern there's always a neckline. So I got this neckline identified here and waited for price to give a break below it. Price first gave this break below. It was here I took my entry. Here. Price sold a little bit, then moved back to the upside, gave this bullish move, which I was on a drawdown on this bullish move we got here. But I had this zone spotted that price is likely to come test this bearish order block, because we got a bearish order block formation here, and I had my SL. I had to adjust my SL, which was at this point. I adjusted it to this zone. So on price coming to test this level, coming to this zone, it continued selling. So price moved our way after the test of this order block, gave the sells, and price is still expected to sell more. The market is expected to sell more on Volatility 101S index. I've taken partial profits on this trade and I've moved my stop loss below my entry, so I'm actually safe basically right? And I will still close more positions by the end of this video. Looking at this structure on the 30-minute time frame, you can see that we got this impulsive move, which was the first sales, and we're getting the corrective move here, which more sales is expected after the break of this corrective move, right? After getting the impulsive correction, impulsive basically. So let's expect price to give another break of this zone, and we have a level here, a level to watch out for, which we could see market reactions on if price to give the sells. Looking at what happened previously on this zone, you can see market reactions here, price buying from here as a support, market reactions here, price bought from this level as a support before the break below it. So there's a possibility of seeing market reactions on this same level. You can always take advantage of these levels, identifying these levels properly. We can use these levels as our potential exit points in the market, as our potential stop loss and take profit levels in the market. So I'll be setting my TP somewhere here because I would be expecting price to sell to this zone. So if you can get positive reaction, like having more sell momentum, you could now see price break below this level, give you a retest on it for more sales. So if price can break below that level, we'll be having our next target level probably somewhere here, right? Our next TP level would be here, then our last TP level would be on this zone. So more sales is expected on V101S index. Looking at the market structure on the daily time frame, this market is too bearish. It's clearly bearish, right? Let's expect more sales. This retest we're getting here, just like the retest of this head and shoulders pattern formation, which we got at this point, the left shoulder here, the head at this zone, is a big reversal pattern formation, and the right shoulder here. So we are getting the retest of the neckline basically here. So more sales is expected in the coming hours and days and weeks, would say, on V101S index. So we could see price break below these lows that was formed here for a market approach at this point. So predicting the market's direction, what could happen next in the market, is of less work, because once we can be able to spot the market levels and zones, the market's direction, that's the market trend, then I think we can be able to predict what could happen next in the market. And no matter how convinced and nice your setup is looking, always make sure you apply proper risk management, right? Manage your risk, always risk what you can afford to lose and risk what you can easily recover from if trade is to go against you, right? So that's it, guys. Hit the like button for more trade reviews, guys, and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engage in my videos. It means a lot, guys. Let's do more and double down today.